this side has already been curled, as you guys can see, and this is the side that I'm working on. A lot of you guys want to know when it comes to kinky straight hair if it'll hold a curl or not. Some hair does, depending on what company it's from, and some hair does not. This would be a prime example of some kinky straight hair that does not hold a curl, because as you can see, this side has completely fallen already, and I'm not even done with this. This side looks all nice and fresh, but I guarantee once I finish this, they'll probably both look the same. Now, because I'm more than halfway done with this side, I'm just going to go ahead and finish curling it, but it doesn't hold a curl very well at all. Now, you could probably try flexi rods. I don't have any of mine on me at the moment because I have no idea where they're at. But okay, you guys, so I did double back and try to recurl this side, but every time I come back to this side, then these ones start dropping. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it alone. I tried the best that I could to curl this hair to try to showcase it for you guys, but like I said, it doesn't seem like this is the type of kinky straight hair that will hold a curl. So I'm just going to pretty much work with what I have so far. I'm just going to take the top of my curling iron just to flatten it. I don't think I need to get my hot comb out. I think this is actually going to work just fine, but the hair is absolutely beautiful. For those of you guys who love kinky straight hair, which this is one of my favorite textures too. My favorite thing to do to it though, honestly, is to straighten it, because then I just get like that, natural blowout, or if I get it really straight, then I get like that silk press kind of look going on and whatnot. So this hair is from West Kiss Hair, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. I'll be sure to put in a little clip here so you guys can see, if I didn't already show it in the beginning, what came inside of the package. You know what, they're already dropping, so it doesn't really make that much of a difference. I might as well just go ahead and do this because they're pretty much non-existent anyway. So I can show you different ways that you guys can wear this wig. I'm just going to start by putting this in a half up, half down. Really simple, really easy. I think this is one of the most quickest, simplest, but still very cute hairstyles to do with these types of headband wigs. Depending on how it is that you like your half up, half downs to be, this one's sitting a little bit too high for me. Yeah, those curls took like no effort for me to just finger comb them out. Really simple. So I do have a little bit of body with the hair, but like I said, don't get this hair expecting it to hold a curl. Now, the only way I can see this hair texture actually maybe holding a curl, or this particular wig, is maybe if you get like those old school like perm rods and then dip the hair in some boiling water and then take them out. That might be the only way you can get this wig to hold a curl. I wouldn't know for sure because I don't have any of those little type of perm rod things. The hair is super light. It doesn't tangle at all. And again, with this unit, which is what I noticed with most of the headband wigs, is I don't get that much shedding. If anything, like I don't really get little to no shedding at all with this, which I love. I don't know what it is with these human hair headband wigs versus the regular lace wigs. Like, I know that all hair is supposed to shed, but some of these headband wigs like barely shed at all, which is not a problem. It's just something that I am noticing because I do have about, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 down. I actually took this headband wig, not headband wig, I actually took this headband off and put on this one. Now, this one I got in my packaging from another hair company, but it doesn't really matter. This one is just so beautiful. I really like this one because my favorite color is blue. It has like blue rhinestones in it, and it has golds in it. It's like navy blue because, as you guys can see, it matches with my jumpsuit that I have. Not jumpsuit, what do you call these things? Tracksuits. I think you guys are a little too close. I'm going to take you guys out just a tad bit right there. I'm going to go ahead and put this into a ponytail now, even though this wig looks super cute in a half up, half down, which is probably how I'll wear it like majority of the time. But now I'll go ahead and put this hair up like in a full ponytail. I don't have my brush with me, so if it's not the neatest ponytail, then just, you know, kind of disregard that. Now, this headband is not one of the ones where it goes all the way. It's just kind of like the one that they sent, just the traditional headbands. Now, they did send me this one. This one is glittery too, but it's like silver and gold. I really don't care too much for silver like that, so I'm not too crazy about this, but I guess I would take it out the package to show you guys what it actually looks like. This one might be, I don't know, I don't really care too much for silver, but this is what this one's looking like. It's got silver and gold mixed with it, but it really only shows up like silver on camera, and especially inside of the light side. Like I said, it's just not going to be the neatest ponytail, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's not the neatest ponytail just because I need one or the other, or I need to put back on this one to be able to disguise the band in the back, but you guys pretty much get the look that you can achieve if you do decide to throw this hair into a ponytail. It's super cute, it's super carefree, and most importantly is it looks so natural, super duper natural. While you have it in a ponytail, you can go ahead and put it in a bun too if you wanted to, and all that good stuff. I am in love with this wig. Now, I know I just did I know I just did a video on another Kinky straight wig. That one was so long. Like, I feel like it's not as wearable as this one is. This one's only 18 inches, but I don't know. It's something about like Kinky straight hair. It seems a little bit longer, actually a lot longer in some cases than what it says that it is, whatever length you choose. Like sometimes the 24 inches end up looking like 26 inches or 28 inches. This is an 18 inch, but it kind of looks more like a 20 or 22 to me, which is nothing to complain about because you obviously get a little bit more length for your money. But I just think that this hair texture is so versatile and it is so natural looking. So this hair is from Weska's Hair. I will be sure to leave all of the information for this wig down below. This video is not sponsored, so I don't have like a coupon code or anything like that for you guys to use, but I still think that this one is worth checking out and definitely worth purchasing from them. So that's why I'm going to leave all the information. If you guys want to see like any of the other headband wig videos that I've done, I'll go ahead and link those down below in my description box as well. Is there anything else that I feel like I missed about this wig? It's great in terms of shedding. It does not hold a curl, but that's like not that big of a deal. Unless that matters to you, then you might not want to go ahead and get this particular Kinky straight texture from this hair company. There are other hair companies that have Kinky straight hair that actually holds a curl, but like I said, it's just kind of going to depend on what company you get it from. I think that is pretty much it. The hair was freshly washed and air dried prior to me, you know, curling the hair. It gets nice and fluffy. You guys have seen me straighten Kinky straight hair before, so if you guys want to see what that looks like, I'll go ahead and link down my other videos on Kinky straight wigs, both headband wigs and normal lace wigs, so you guys can get an idea of how beautifully this hair actually presses out. As always, thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll see you guys next time.